Hello guys! Today I will show you how to draw a honeybee. Let's start. Draw a circle with a simple pencil. It will be a head of our bee. Next step is draw an oval. It will be a body. Then draw the wings. The eyes, a mouth, the antennae, mark a sting, and draw stripes. Mark the legs, and now let's colorize the head with a yellow pencil. The well-known fact is that honeybees are the only insects that produce food for humans. It's a honey. Now outline eyes and colorize pupils with a black pencil. Next step is draw the mouth with a brown pencil and colorize cheeks with the orange. Outline the head with a brown curved line. And colorize the antennae with a brown pencil. Next step is colorize the stripes with a black pencil. Honeybees live in hives or colonies. The members of the hive are divided into three types: queen, workers, and drones. Worker bees go from one flower to another, collecting nectar. In one collection trip, a bee visits 15 to 100 flowers. Now we colorize strips with a yellow pencil. Next step is outline the wings with a blue pencil. Honeybees are great flyers. They fly at the speed of around 25 km per hour and beat their wings 200 times per second. Make soft strokes on the some part of wings with a blue pencil. Now colorize the legs with a brown pencil. We're almost done. I hope you like this lesson. So, see you soon on my next one.